All right, and welcome to this episode of Wired Wednesday. Thanks for checking this out as we look at everybody's favorite AI generative text-based web app, ChatGPT. Now, specifically, we're going to be looking at utilizing ChatGPT to convert very complicated text and bringing it down to the appropriate age level for your classroom. It's a little-known feature, but it is perfect for classrooms, especially if you're wanting your kids to cover something a little bit higher level. So in this case specifically, let's start prompting ChatGPT. I've signed in, I have my account. You can see I have fun over here with it. And let's go ahead and ask it first to give me the lexile range for the piece of text that I want it to look at and convert. So the best thing to do with ChatGPT is prompts, and you have to understand the prompts that you want to get a very close to what you're looking for answer. In this case, I'm going to say, can you tell me the lexile range of the following text? So I'm going to ask it that. It's going to come in. It's going to generate some things. I'll probably say something like, please give it to me here. Let's do this. And I'm going to go nuclear physics because let's say we are teaching fourth graders nuclear physics. Why not? I already have this highlighted to save time. So we'll copy this, drop it in. We'll go Control V here. And it already knows based off of the previous prompt what its task is going to be. So you can see here, it's looked at what the Department of Energy put out, and it's given me a lexile range of about 1,300 to 1,600. That's pretty, as they say, upper level high school, college level text. In this case, let's ask it to bring it down to that fourth grade classroom. Now check this out. So it has now created a simplified version of the text that I had given it at the start. I've asked it to make it so a fourth grader can read this. So it's bringing it down to that lexile range that is appropriate for them. And here you can see it's now at that fourth grade reading level. We can do it again though. Let's bring it down. Let's see if it does kindergarten. And let's see what it develops for us. Now look at that. This is a great way to now start bringing very high level topics and ideas and making them accessible for our students, and especially our younger students and even our lower performing students. What I love about this process though is that we can take this, pop it in there, and have something ready for us in a matter of seconds. And this is a game changer, revolutionizes the classroom. And if you find excellent articles, but maybe they're a little too high level understanding, journal articles, websites, do the same thing on this. Give it to the kids. You can print it off, put it in a Google Doc, put it in Google Classroom, however you want it. But this allows them to start accessing material that would be too high of a level for them, and also allows you to start having some really interesting and engaging conversations with them. If you have found today's episode of Wired Wednesday interesting, helpful, insightful, let me know by first telling me in the comment section below, hitting that like button, and if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can always get latest content. And as always, thanks for watching.